In this guide, you'll discover 9 practical tricks to speed up your iPad and improve its performance. We'll also introduce a professional cleaning tool that quickly removes junk files and boosts your iPad's speed with just a few clicks. Part 1. How to speed up iPad. Now, let's go through 9 proven tips to speed up your slow iPad. Each method is simple, safe, and easy to follow. No technical background required. Trick 1. Restart the iPad. Restarting your iPad is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to make your iPad run faster. How to restart an iPad without a home button. Step 1. Press and hold either the volume button and the top button simultaneously until the power off slider appears. Step 2. Slide the slider to turn off your device, then wait about 30 seconds for it to shut down. Step 3. To turn it back on, press and hold the top button until the Apple logo appears. How to restart an iPad with a home button. Step 1. Press and hold the top button until the power off slider shows up. Slide it, then wait for about 30 seconds for your device to power off. Step 2. To turn your device back on, press and hold the top button until the Apple logo appears. Trick 2. Turn off background app. Refresh. Step 1. Go to Settings, General Background App Refresh. Step 2. Choose Off. Trick 3. Clear Safari cache. Step 1. Go to Settings, Safari. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Clear History and Website Data. Step 3. Confirm by tapping Clear History and Data again. Trick 4. Turn off low power mode. Step 1. Open Settings, Battery. Step 2. Toggle off low power mode. Trick 5. Reduce motion and animations. Step 1. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Motion. Step 2. Turn on Reduce Motion. Trick 6. Check available storage space. Step 1. Open Settings, General iPad Storage. Step 2. Review which apps are taking up space. Step 3. Delete unused apps, large videos, or move photos to iCloud. Trick 7. Update iPadOS. Step 1. Go to Settings, General Software Update. Step 2. If an update is available, tap Download and install. Step 3. Follow the on-screen instructions. Trick 8. Check battery health. Step 1. Open Settings, Battery, Health and Charging. Step 2. Check the maximum capacity percentage. Step 3. If it's below 80, consider replacing your battery. Trick 9. Restore iPad to factory settings. If nothing else works, restoring your iPad to factory settings can be the last solution for you. This will erase all content and return your device to a fresh state. Step 1. Back up your iPad via iCloud or iTunes first. Step 2. Go to Settings, General Transfer or Reset iPad. Step 3. Tap Erase all content and settings. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions. Part 2. The best tool to make an iPad run faster. If you're looking for a more efficient and thorough way to speed up your device, Coolmuster iOS Cleaner is a highly reliable professional tool. It deeply scans the internal system files of your iPad, automatically cleaning up cache, logs, add residues, and other hidden junk, thereby freeing up storage space and improving response speed. Step 1. Download and install the tool on your computer. Connect your iPad to the computer using a USB cable. Step 2. Once your device is connected, Coolmuster iOS Cleaner will offer 4 cleaning modes. Select Quick Clean to begin cleaning your iPad. Step 3. A new window will appear showing all removable file types, including app caches, cookies, temporary files, crash logs, downloaded temp files, photo caches, and user storage files. Choose the file types you want to remove, then click the Start Scan button in the top right corner. Step 4. After scanning, review the junk files detected. Select the ones you want to delete, then click the Clean button in the top right corner. A confirmation prompt will ask if you're sure you want to remove the selected files. Click OK to proceed with the cleanup. Step 5. After a brief wait, the cleanup will finish, and a confirmation screen will show the amount of data removed and how much storage space you've freed up.